Good afternoon. This is Miss Cruz speaking, and I know it's late. I know. I'm sorry about that, but I don't have. I have some electrical problems since Saturday, so it was very hard for me to be able to complete this video. Finally, I have it, and I will send it to you, okay, as soon as possible. Thank you for your patience. Now we are here and we are going to talk about phonics. That's the subject for today's phonics. And the day is May 18, 2020. Today it's Monday. I know you love Monday. Everybody loves Monday. Monday is your favorite day. So on this lesson, we are going to talk about suffixes. So if you have your books, go and search for the suffix title, and you can follow me. Follow me with your book. If you don't have it, it's okay. That's why I send a complete different worksheet, because some of you don't have the book. I know that, but you don't need to worry about that. Okay, so pay attention to this class. Follow the instruction, please. Make sure that you understand today's class. It's very easy. This is something that you have, this is only a review for some of you. And listen carefully, pay attention, stay focused, concentrated, and enjoy the class. Okay, let's move to the next page, please. Here we are on page number 2. And on this page, we are going to discuss the suffix. We are going to find out what a suffix is, and we are going to find out information about suffixes is, and fu. Now, let's find the definition first. A suffix is a letter or letters added to the end of a base word or rule to add to or change its meaning. Adding suffix changes a word's meaning or makes a new word. Okay, now let's do a fast review of the last 2 weeks. We were talking about prefix, and now we changed the subject to suffix. Prefix, it's a letter or letters added to the beginning of a base word. That's the definition of a prefix. It's a letter or letter added to the beginning of a base word. But now we find out that a suffix is the opposite. A suffix is a letter or letters added to the end of a base word. Okay, one is at the beginning, and this one, the suffix, is at the end. Okay, now let's talk about the suffix er. The suffix er can mean a person who, a thing that. And here we have a person who, teach is the teacher. A thing that pinch, it's a pincher. And more large than another thing, it's larger. And here you have the suffix in red. Teacher, a person who teach, pincher, a thing that pinch, and larger, more larger than another thing. So remember, the suffix er means a person who or a thing that. The suffix is means one who makes or does. Remember, the suffix is means one who makes or does. Artists have the suffix ist. That's why the word artist ist is on red. One who make art. Another suffix that we have here, it's the suffix full, means full of. F-U-L, is the suffix that means full of. Now, here we have two examples, careful and joyful. Careful means full of care, and joyful means full of joy. The suffix full means full of. The suffix is means one who makes or does. The suffix er means a person who or a thing that. Okay, now this should be clear in your memory, because on the next page we are going to talk about different suffixes. Here on page number 3, we are going to talk about suffixes ness, able, and ible. The suffix ness means state or quality of. That's the meaning of the suffix ness. And here we have two words that include the suffix ness. Dullness is the first one, and fitness is the second. Dullness means the quality of being dull. Fitness means the quality of being fit. The next suffix is able, and ible, means capable or worthy of. So the suffix able and the suffix ible means the same, capable or worthy of. So let's read the examples that we have. And remember, the suffixes are marked red. Washable means capable of being washed. Favorable means worthy of being favored. Reversible means capable of being reversed. Horrible means worthy of horror. Let's read the words one more time. Horrible, reversible, favorable, and washable. Okay, now here you have the suffix ness, able, and ible in the meanings. And the examples, you should be able to identify the base word and the suffix. Why? Because the base word is in black and the suffix letters are in red. Now, if we don't have any more questions, I'm going to move to page number 4. And remember, on the next page, we have different suffixes, because it's important that you learn all of the suffixes that we have here and that you keep it in your mind. Suffixes, ans, ens, and if. The suffixes ens and ans means a quality or a state of being. Let me read it one more time. The suffixes ens and ans means a quality or a state of being. And here we have the first example, silences. The state of being, shh, silent. And here we have a sentence with a base word that includes the suffix ens. People who study this animal notice a difference in the way they look and behave. So the word difference has include the suffix ens. The next one is going to be acceptances. Acceptances, the quality of being accepted. acceptances, the quality of being accepted. And here I have a sentence that includes a word that has the suffix "ans." Some of these animals are met with tolerance. Some of these animals are met with tolerance. Okay, now let's talk about a different suffix. Let's talk about the suffix if. The suffix if means inclined to. And here I have a word that includes the suffix if. Embedding means inclined to embed. Embedded means inclined to embed. The next one is abusive. Abusive means inclined to hurt others. Abusive means inclined to hurt others. Remember, the suffixes are marked red. And here you have the meaning of each of the suffixes that we talk in this page. Please review this page and the rest of the pages that you have here and make sure that you understand what does each suffix mean. Okay, now let's move to the next page and then we are going to talk about the homework. Here on page number 5, we are going to talk about suffixes ation, o, and each. Let's talk about the first suffix, ation. The suffix ation means a state or quality of. That's the meaning, a state or quality of. And here I have two examples for you. The first one is taxation, means the state of being taxed. And here you have the word T-A-X, that's the base word. And you have A-T-I-O-N, which is the suffix, marked in red, taxation. Many children will go to the clinic to get vaccination. Vaccination. The suffix ation, it's at the end of the base word. Now let's talk about the suffix o. O means relating to. And the example that I have is musical means relating to music. Musical. The suffix al is at the end of the base word. The next one is a sentence. This feeling is only natural. The word natural has the suffix at the end of the base word, which is al. That's the suffix that we are talking about. Now the next one is going to be the suffix each, which means near or like. Near or like. Childish means like a child. And the next one is going to be a sentence. Let's read it. The clinic is in a reddish brick building. The clinic is in a reddish brick building. There you have two examples or two words that have the suffix ish. Childish and reddish. And for the suffix al, you have musical and natural. And for the suffix ation, you have taxation and vaccination. Don't forget, the suffix ation means a state or quality of. The suffix All means relating to, and the suffix ish means near or like. Now we are going to move to the next page, and we are going to discuss the homework for today. Okay, here on page number 6, we are going to talk about the homework. The first thing that you need to do, you need to review the video. Make sure that you memorize what does each prefix mean to be able to complete the worksheet. You need to memorize that information, and you need to make sure that you answer the worksheet correctly. Now, remember, we talk about different suffixes here in this class, and we also talk about the definition of suffix. A suffix, it's a letter or letters added at the end of a base word. You need to keep that in your mind. Now we are talking about suffix, not prefix anymore. Make sure that you read the instruction in your worksheet. Make sure that you follow the instruction, please. And remember, you need to send me that homework. If it's possible today, if not, it's okay if you send me that information tomorrow. And I hope that you enjoy the rest of the day. God bless you. God bless your family. Eat healthy food. Don't forget, you need to eat fruit and vegetables. And remember that you need to pray every day. I miss you, and if you have any question, please let me know. Thank you for your attention, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.